guys, we're gonna go see what's up with Jadiel. Let's take a little gander up here. Oh, hey, Jadiel, what's up, buddy?
Hey.
What's going on up here?
Wiping.
What's the weather like up here?
Cold.
Uh-huh.
About it.
What degrees you think it's up here? It feels pretty nice up here, actually.
Probably 50.
Until the wind comes up, then you're like, whoa. Never mind. Look at that. Yeah, windshield wiping. That is absolute cinema, wouldn't you say?
You need our drivers to see.
That is true. Drivers do have to see. That is important. Look at all this mud. Oh my gosh. Nothing to do about that. And the poor big block. Air filter's got some dirt on it. How about that?
That's what we call the red velvet of monster trucks.
What is it called?
The red velvet of monster trucks.
Ah.
That's what it looks like right there. Not gonna lie, I want to paint my car that color.
Honestly, it's pretty nice. All right, day number 2 here. We got Mr. Nick. Nick, what's going on? You had 2 hole shots you did last night. I'm assuming to test out the truck, and then you guys did a little drive shaft reattachment. What happened?
Yeah, so we wanted to check everything over. You know, as you said yesterday, we were borrowing Brooke's transfer case, kind of thinking that it was kind of our issue. We put the transfer case in, did a whole shot. Everything felt good. Didn't have a vibration. Everything was running pretty strong. Then we threw the front drive shaft in, a new one, figuring maybe there was something wrong with the front drive shaft as well. And did another whole shot, drove it around, no problems, no vibration. Everything felt great. Hit some of the higher RPMs where I did feel the vibration yesterday and a little bit more, and I didn't feel anything. So everything looks good. Everything feels great. We're gonna go in with a ton of confidence today, and going on a hope and a prayer that we stay together and we can keep this points lead going. Brooke's truck, we put my old transfer case back in it. Checked everything. Everything looks good, but you know what? It's maybe hidden things that we can't find. But we put her front drive shaft back in it. So she's got, you know, four-wheel drive. She's only got first gear, so we're overdriving the transfer case. So she'll have a very, very long first gear, but since she doesn't have second gear, it's gonna kind of hinder her a little bit. But we're gonna do the best she can. She's, you know, giving up a lot of parts for me to keep going, so I can't thank her enough for that. And we're gonna come out here and give it everything we have today.
Sweet, we're excited. And I know Elliot was upset he missed the first hole shot because you slung up some dirt, did a little burnout action on the dirt.
Yeah, not having four-wheel drive when I first did it, it was spinning the rear tires because there was nothing pulling on the front, so it was just spinning at really, really high RPMs.
All right, well, we'll see you for the showtime. Thanks, Nick.
Yep.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Get that forearm pump, dude.
Wayne knows all about this.
I do. I tried it the other week and it was crazy. I was like, I don't have to hit the gym, dude. Just monster truck. You're good.
No, you still gotta hit the gym, man.
Not for your forearms. And then Jadiel gets a workout because he's always having to shine up the truck. So he gets his forearm.
I'm surprised Jadiel doesn't look like Dwayne.
Dwayne The Rock?
Yeah, man, The Rock.
Dwayne The Rock. Jadiel.
Yeah. He's doing great, though. He's doing phenomenal.
He's cooking. Are you cooking, Jadiel?
Trying to.
Me and Brooke are having a conversation about food right now.
Italian.
Because, you know, Italian. Pagliarulos are Italian, if you know. And Jadiel, what's the question?
Alfredo sauce or red sauce? And you guys answered in the comments too.
Jadiel, what did you say?
Huh?
What did you say? Red sauce? Oh. Yeah. It's blowing the interview. Blowing the interview. What did you say?
Alfredo sauce.
Alfredo sauce.
Uh-huh.
Okay. We'll see if the people like that answer or not, Jadiel.
I don't know. Let's see.
We'll see. I'm going
All the above.
I'm going all the above,
That's me.
but I would go Alfredo sauce over red sauce too. Brooke?
All the above, but I like, especially my dad's red sauce that he puts like pepperoni and stuff in.
Ooh.
I love that. That's like my favorite.
That sounds fire.
It's my fave. It's
Very
delicious.
nice. Delicious.
Very too much freaking sugar. You might have
Ooh.
some problems after eating it.
But
I mean, it's really good. That's all that matters.
Shout out to Papa Pag.
That's a Pop Dog, my guy.
Yes, sir. Yippee.
Wish you were here right now.
Oh, Papa Pag.
Yes, we called him, said our highs and our byes and our good bucks.
Byes.
Yeah, like bye-bye, like talk to you soon.
Oh, I gotta talk to you soon.
It's never goodbye.
Yeah, exactly.
Some serious type shit.
All right, Scoob, I got a question for you. What advice do you have for another monster truck driver here and they don't get to know who said it?
Go do something cool.
Good.
Go do something cool. I want you to hear my voice just before you're getting sent out to freestyle saying in your head, go do something cool.
I like that. And Scoob, this is what the person before me said. Have a great time, get out there, be excited.
No. Just go do something cool. You just go out there and go do something cool. Don't think about it. If you think about it, you won't do anything cool.
Go out there and do
Just
something
go
cool.
out there and do something cool.
Perfect.
Smile, look at me!
Hello, what's up, my guys and girls? We are here. Last show of the weekend, pit party just finished up. We are ready to tear it up. Not much for me that I can do with a messed up drop box and a transmission only has first gear, but that is totally okay. It still runs, it still does something, so we're gonna make the best out of it. We're gonna do something cool, as I've been told to. But you guys, comment down below if you guys are made it to this point or you guys are having fun. You know, we're ready to tear it up today as always, and thank you guys so much for subscribing and liking and all that. Love you guys.
All right, we'll see you at the end.
Bye.
All right, Brooke. So we're playing a little game today. I got
Yes,
something
so
for you.
I've heard.
So the game is the driver can give you some information about whatever they want to say,
Right.
but you don't get to know who says it.
No.
And then you get to say something back to them.
Right.
So your advice today is do something cool. Do something cool. Do something cool.
Okay. Period. Okay, we'll do that. We'll try to do something cool today. Am I supposed to say the advice I give
Okay,
somebody?
so now this is part 2.
Okay,
All right.
part two.
So Brooke, what advice do you have for somebody and
Okay,
they don't
so the
get to
advice
know?
I have for somebody is you have a heavy left foot.
Okay, Nick, we're back. This person says you got a heavy left foot.
Well, whoever said that's not right because that'd be my brake pedal.
Yes.
And I am
that-
not very good with my brake pedal. My right foot is a heavy right foot. I got a lead right foot, but I'm pretty touchy with my left foot. So whoever said that, it don't make no sense.
Oh, what do you got for someone else again?
Maybe they should get off of their left foot and use a better right foot.
Okay, thanks, Nick. Okay, Brooke, this person says they don't have a heavy left foot and that you should get less of a heavy left foot and more of a right foot.
Not gonna lie, I probably should. I'm a little touchy on the brakes. That's only
Well, who do you
because-
think said that?
Dick.
It's freaking family beef. Oh,
He knows I said it. He knows I said it.
yep. That's why he threw
Am I
back the
supposed to
shade.
say another thing now?
I don't know. Do you want to? We'll be right back.
This is for Athena.
Oh, for Athena. Okay.
Girl, you know how to pop them wheelies.
Perfect. Okay, hi Athena. This person says, you know how to pop some wheelies, girl. Okay. Great talk, Athena. Thank you. Got a little cart coming through. Excuse me. Coming.
I would like to introduce today, she is the hot shot rookie on tour, door in a brand new truck for the 2026 season. She's ready to fire up the track and take on the big boys in an old school 1965 Chevy K10 from DeLand, Florida. Ladies, get loud for Brooke Pagliarulo, MissFire. On the All-Star Tour, Big Nick Pagliarulo, this is Kraken! Blessed Sunday afternoon, if it wasn't for the sacrifice of so many brave... Louder! See those flags in the air if you want to get the best trick started with Athena, the driver of Little Miss Madness. Put those hearts in the air. She loves singing back at you. Out of a possible 10-point score. Up till 3 o'clock in the morning last night, putting parts back in this thing. She said, I don't care what happens. I'm going to give it 100% of what we got. So ladies, get loud for MissFire. And couldn't get it all the way on the nose, but she gave it everything it has out here. The man they call Scoob. It's good vibes only. This is the High Tide. To Nick Pagliarulo and Kraken! Pagliarulo here in Victory Lane. I tell you what, you saw the carnage out there, you heard the High Tide got a 9-point score. You had to pull a hard trick out of your bag. The two-wheel maneuver, probably one of the most dangerous moves in all of monster trucks. You did it once, but twice out here. How did that feel inside of that incredible all-star monster truck?
You know, I felt great, got me amped up. I saw the stoppie wasn't working for anybody, so I had to pull my secret trick out of the bag, which was a bicycle, and I got it perfect twice. What do you guys think? Is that a good start to the show today, or what?
I tell you what, you were looking at those checker flags. You saw these fans getting wild and crazy. You love seeing those squiddy hats. You love seeing those Kraken toys. It's only going to get wilder from here. Monster truck racing, one of your favorites, is coming up next.
Absolutely, I can't wait for some racing. Some Chicago-style racing is one of my favorite. It's going to be technical, but fast.
It is going to be fast. One more time, I want you to make some noise for your best trick winner, Nick Pagliarulo and Kraken. All right, here the Kraken monster truck will get pulled off the track. And as we talked about it, we're going to go into side-by-side racing competition. Kraken. He turns a time of 15.0. He goes to the top of the board. A 5-second penalty on Kraken. That means the win goes to Athena, Little Miss Madness. Ladies, this one's for you. You're guaranteed a winner for Monster Truck Racing. They are staring each other down, eye to eye, right now. The drama builds. This is the Monster Truck Racing Finals. And I gotta know what every single one of you fans in the stands thinks. Who do you think is gonna be the winner? Do you think it's gonna come from Mount Pleasant, Texas? Do you think the winner is gonna be Athena, Little Miss Madness? How many people think it's gonna be the hot shot rookie? 18 years old, up until 3 o'clock in the morning, put parts on this truck just for you fans today. How many people think the win's gonna go to Brooke, Pagliarulo, and MissFire? We're gonna fire these trucks up. 20 championship points on the line. This is the Monster Truck Racing Finals. We're gonna wait on the judges to make sure it's a clean run. It's official, your winner, MissFire!
Let's go, Brooke! Brooke takes the win.
Reach victory lane, make some noise for the rookie, Brooke Pagliarulo, and MissFire! Brooke, we talked about it earlier. You came up to me. Your eyes were half open, completely bloodshot, running on Red Bull and hope. Earlier today, you put about $10,000 worth of brand new parts into that truck. You said, this is all we got. If it blows up, it blows up. But I don't care. I'm going to leave it all on the track. And you've done it. You have won the racing competition. I can see you shaking. How does it feel to pick up this huge win?
It's honestly, I'm at a loss of words right now. I've worked so hard with my family and even my crew guy Alden, late nights trying to get this truck and even his truck back together. And right now I'm running with only first gear. So being able to get that is honestly crazy to me because I don't even have the highest gear that I possibly could to even go faster than that. So honestly, it's setting my, high hopes for the rest of the day today.
I'll tell you what, our staff was talking about it earlier. You made a mention back there. Our staff said, I think the transmission's going out. And we asked her, is she going to be out of racing? And she shook her head. She said, no, I don't care if I blow all the gears out, but I got one more gear left, and I'm going to blow it up out there. So freestyle's still to come. What's left of this truck? I know you're going to go out there and try to push it for freestyle for all these fans.
Oh yeah, well, you know, we got the last gear left. You know what? Makes me want to drive even harder and send it out for you guys, because honestly, what more do you guys ask for? You guys want some big air? You guys want some cool tricks? I want to hear you guys scream.
Show her some love, the rookie right here. It is Brooke Pagliarulo in MissFire. Ride on.
We are cinematic here at Tomfoolery. Nick, you ready to rock and roll?
Oh yeah, ready to go.
You're getting a lot of work done.
Huh?
You're getting a lot of work done. You just got some nice cardio with fiberglass.
No, man, it's all him. He does all the work. Look at
Wow.
him. Look at him. He's the one that does all the work.
Jadiel.
Yeah!
Jadiel, baby.
Employee of the year! You see that man sprint across the track like that?
I did see that.
That's called dedication.
That is dedication. I agree.
Your sister has a new transmission now.
not know. Elliot is touched again. He's gone. Oh! Will it buff out?
Absolutely not.
Hello, Alden. Having a good time? Good time. Wow. What are we doing, a driver's shot right now?
Yeah, man. Get ready. We're about to go haywire. See that?
Yes, I see that.
See that? See that?
What is that?
Kraken, baby. Kraken.
That's what it is. It's waving.
Yeah, man.
That's a sign of hope.
It's a sign that it's getting ready to stay on top. Because it's time for Kraken.
Oh yeah, baby. That was cool. Great ending for Nick. Half the freestyle is just gonzo, covered in smoke. The fans like it. Is he gonna take it? Well, that is going to do it for show number 2 here at Smoky Mountain Speedway. It was a pretty hectic night last night. They got it fixed. Brooke won racing, Athena made it to racing, and then Nick Pagliarulo taking freestyle, threw it down, also getting the overall, so that's going to be really good for his points. Feel really bad for Jacob, was not able to compete, and whatever, you know, it did not work out. It was really upsetting for Jacob, and I know he wants to come out here and throw it down, so we will see in Chattanooga. That is it for today. We got load up and heading out. These squid kids were doing the gritty, and now they're running all over the place. Thanks for watching today, guys. Make sure to head to Tomfoolery Motorsports. Check out all of our merchandise: MissFire, Kraken, Excalibur, Jester, Recreation, and all of our trucks, Michigan Ice Monster. We have die-cast, all types of different stuff. Tomfoolery Motorsports. We know what's best. We don't fool around, as you can see from the logo. There we are.
Wow. Oh, got cut off by a phone call, but hey, man.
Hey, Alden.
Where you been?
Just getting some food, some stuff that I might share.
Sure.
Got some nice friends.
I got food in the trailer from about 6 hours ago.
Really? Well, this one's more recent, so you may want to snack on some.
What you
Got some cheese bites. I got some corn tater bite things.
Those cheese bites are cool.
And I got some Philly cheesesteak.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna have to take those cheese curds off here.
I have to take a few, huh?
I'm taking them all.
Oh, really?
Get right.
Over my dead body, Alden.
Nick!
It's not mine.
That's mine. No.
How was your day, Alden?
It was good. Went a lot better than I expected, but we're here. We're loading up.
Load up time, baby.
Yeah. Sorry.
Drama behind the scenes.
Yeah. Yeah, we're good. Nothing bad. Made it through the show. Brooke won racing.
Woo! Off of a technicality that hasn't changed all year long, though.
Here.
What do you have to say about that?
I don't even care. Not gonna lie, I'm just happy that the girls made it to the finals.
Last thing I'm gonna say to the camera, Brooke does not need gears anymore. She's perfectly fine with just first gear.
Really? First gear?
Just give me it for freestyle. That's about it.
First gear for freestyle or first
Yeah.
gear for racing?
First gear, no. I can do first gear in racing, depending on the track. Like Naples, I needed second. But for like something small, like Chicago style like this, just give me first gear. And then for freestyle, I need second and
Yeah.
first.
You did some nice wheelies today, too.
know.
How about
That's
that?
what first gear does to you.
First gear
I
gives
know.
you some wheelies?
It pops it up nice. And I've just been kind of worried to just shift it into first and then do it.
Yeah.
I've just kind of been trying to get it in second gear, but I think I'm going to wait until we get this transmission problem out before I start just doing
Wheelies?
Yeah, in the middle of like shifting it to first and trying to do that. I
Good
just don't wanna hurt
choice.
the transmission right now. Well, I'll wait. But no, first gear really helps with all that. That's kind of what you're supposed to do, I want to say.
Yeah.
I don't know. But
Wow.
Nick does it.
That's chill.
I can hear that freaking thing zinging to the roof.
What sound does Monster Truck make, Brooke? Dang, this filter's seen better days. Look at that.
Don't talk about my girl like that.
Holy cow, bud.
Needs to be washed.
I'm pretty sure Kraken's the same way.
This whole truck needs to be washed.
It's washing time, baby.
Oh, yeah.
Or you just give this thing a nice orange coat and you'll be fine. Here at Tomfoolery Motorsports, we're not only foodies, we're monster trucking. Take one by the thumb. Take one by the thumb. That's the cheese bites. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Pretty good. Pretty good.
Jadiel. Yeah. I'm not sure if you took a cheese bite there or a corn one. Is it cheesy? Oh. Take one by my thumb. There you go. That's the good stuff. Oh, yeah. Look, makes a grown man smile. Makes a man smile.
What? All good in the back.
Yeah, girl.
All right.
Yeah, Jadiel. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Colton. Happy birthday to you. Woo!
Good enough. They're blown out.
Yay! Hey guys, on Tomfoolery video, I just want to say Zach did that. He did a good job.
I try.
Oh, yeah. Let her rip, bud.
Are you admiring my
Let her
artwork?
rip, tater
Yes.
chip.
Oh, look at that. Look how...
Down it goes.
Just grab the thing. What are you doing? Act like it's a damn cotton.
My hands are still clean. I can still eat cupcakes with clean hands. Dude.
Oh,
Get that
my.
thing to-
Yeah,
Okay,
look,
come on, Zach. Yes,
You can
here
get
you
a little
go.
grease with your cupcake.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
You can do it, Zach.
That's why I think you might need to turn the tire straight.
I'll move so you get the cake.
Ah, guys. Fly ball?
You want to spin her over?
Zach is determined.
Turn the tire straight? Ah!
You gave up, didn't you?
I was really about to say, let's get the fly ball.
I mean, you do it.
Turn the wheel a little straighter.
Nick might be right.
You don't have to fire it either.
It's already broken. Just hammer it on the thing. God.
You don't want to mess the knuckle up. It's already got a lot.
Hit it back in there. Give me that hammer, will you?
Yep.
You're still keeping your hands clean. That's nice.
No, now keep handprinting on this.
Hey.
You see that? You see what I just
Think
did?
when you're dinghy
That's
there, I see that.
high IQ
Yeah.
right there.
Oh.
No hands. What did I tell
Oh,
you?
you are so
Ooh.
awesome.
How beautiful was that?
He is good.
Pull that inner all the way up. Just
That's what I was thinking too, honestly. Okay, greasy hands.
Look, there's gotta be a useful sack around here somewhere, alright?
pull the back back.
Yeah.
Oh, man, that's
Oh.
Oh,
Dude, it's
that
straight.
thing
Right
is
back in.
straight.
Hold it.
Wait, are we saying it's not big? Did you lose?
Now it's gone and the inner's gone. All right.
Do I need to pose like I'm holding a fish or something?
Yeah, you gotta hold it straight out.
Yeah.
Give it a kick, too.
Oh, yeah, no, I give up on that.
Be careful. Be careful.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hey, buddy.
Hold on. Instead of holding that, we'll grab it.
That's
This
fantastic.
first catch. Give it a little smooch mooch.
How many pounds?
Too many.
Oh wait, it's on the wrong side.
You gotta flip it over.
I'm messing with you.
Bro's rage baiting.
No, he
Terrible.
You can punch him. It's all right. Do me a favor.
Back go again. Oh yeah, it's back. Well, guys, that's going to do it for an awesome action-packed weekend here. Tomfoolery Motorsports. We had a blast. Sinistar Motorsports and Rat Attack. 5 trucks. We all threw it down. Had a great time. There was a lot of breakage this weekend. Brooke did something really cool and helped Kraken to continue in the show. And that's going to do it for the second to last weekend. We will see you in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Who's going to take the Point Series Championship? Will it be Jacob Ladwick or Nick Pagliarulo? You'll find out on our final weekend.